Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and this is a vlog I'm doing about my Mexican beach home renovation. We're on the very last episodes of this. We're almost done. What they did yesterday is some of the rocks we got at the bottom of our pool. Well, we had some extras, so we had them lay them out here on the side just for some brief landscaping at this time. And because we're going to do this later, especially this area here. We're going to probably do full landscaping here, but we're going to wait. We want a little bit of a break from all that. The other thing they did is they stuck a finish on the pool deck. See how it's a little shiny? Right now we can't walk on this yet, but the pool deck and the sidewalk all the way to the beach and all the sides here, it had a finish. They also put a finish on the steam room and the pool pump room as well, so to give it a nice finish to it. The shikoom, we love it. It's a great finish. The pool deck is not shikoom, by the way. It's a mineral stuck in some concrete on top of wet concrete that has a similar color, so it's nice. But shikoom you really can't walk on. I mean, so a little bit, but not really every day. So we have that type of concrete finish on there, and it's a similar color, so it's very. But all of this needs a finish to it to keep it cleaner, longer. The water is going to roll off a little easier into our river rock channels that we have, and it just stay nicer. And that patch right there is drying. He thinks that will take a couple of days, and then we can stick water in the pool, but it won't be the same color. And as soon as we put water in the pool, it will stay that color. So we want it to match, because this is a little bit of a patch job. We want it to match. I can actually walk over here without touching the rest of the floor, because there was a coconut that started sprouting out of the concrete weeks later, in fact. So we have this curve to it, and we're going to let this dry. We may let it dry for a couple of weeks before we stick water in it. We'll see how that goes, but that's what they did yesterday, and they're coming back today to do a finish on the rest of the sidewalks. They also did the finish on the side maintenance sidewalk as well, and so they think at the end of today they'll be done. We're not so sure about that. They're coming a little bit early, and my wife is going to do a little bit of an art project right here on the side of the steam room. They've left this area for some shells design that she's made that she's going to stick in, so I'm going to record that when she does that later today. And let me show you one last thing, is this maintenance sidewalk. They did do it. There is a gate, which they of course took off during all this, and we're probably not going to stick it back on, but it went right here. But this is all the way down there. There is a gate that's open down there that I'm okay with leaving. It's working fine. So that's it from here in Mexico, on the coast in Yucatan, Mexico. If you're interested in more videos like this, or you haven't seen the ones I have been doing before this, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, an encouraging word. Thanks for doing this, would be appreciated. And of course, if you have a question about doing a home renovation in Mexico, it's very different than anything we've ever done. I've done quite a few, and in the States though, and here we had to do some things differently, especially on payments. Have a payment plan with your contractors, and hit the bell notification if you'd like to get notified of more videos. And we do have a newsletter. If you're interested in a weekly newsletter, it comes out once a week, and you can get that at expatrebel.com/newsletter. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.